Today, class, we're going to be working on lesson 2.3 LBD docs. So let me say that again in a different order. Docs, lesson 2.3, the senior class fundraiser. The typing that you're going to have to do is on page 28. I've already taken care of doing that. And incidentally, in order to get the spots, the senior, Hamilton High School, my name, and the date in the correct position, instead of space barring over, what you're going to do is you're going to tab over. So the tab key is a couple keys underneath the escape key. So essentially what you're just going to do is you're going to tab over till they're all even to get those aligned. You're going to have spacing the same way as it is here. What we're going to do as far as the changes we're going to make are going to be pretty minimal, but we're going to start with step 3. We are going to copy and paste or cut and paste subject and senior class fundraiser. So yes, you typed it. We're not going to waste it. You're going to go to edit, cut, or you can right click and go to cut. We're going to come down here underneath date. We're going to right click. Then we're going to select paste. Now you're going to notice that this is directly on top of the as always section. We're going to hit return or enter to create another line there so that we have a space in between subject and as always. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste some more text. So I'm going to copy as always, Hamilton High School is reaching out for your support. I am going to right click on it. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to position my cursor, which is this blinking thing right here, at the end of the last sentence where it says drop me a note in the student council mailbox. And I'm going to right click again and I'm going to select paste. All right. The next thing that I need to do is I'm going to do a find and replace. So I'm going to go up to the edit menu. I'm going to go to find and replace. We are going to replace Hamilton High School with Hamilton High. So I'm going to type in where it says find Hamilton High School, and I'm going to replace it with Hamilton High, and I'm going to choose replace all. And you will have noticed that up here where it said Hamilton High School, it just says Hamilton High student body. We're going to increase the indent on the third paragraph, which is the paragraph that starts with calendar. So I'm going to put my cursor in front of there. See how it's blinking in front of the C? We're going to go to more. We are going to go to increase indent. If you hover over it long enough, it's going to look like this and say increase indent. We're going to click that and it's going to indent both of these sentences. That's what we want. We want it to be indented like that. It's going to indent it 1/2 inch. That's the standard increase indent size. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to center align, which means we're going to put it in the center, memorandum. So we're going to go to align. You'll probably have to go to more. You'll go to align and we're going to go to align center. We're also going to bold the text, so we're going to go to the B. We're going to change the line spacing of to, from, date, and subject to be double spaced. So we're going to go to line spacing. We're going to choose double spacing. Now, we've done everything that we need to do to this letter, so it's ready to turn in. My only suggestion is that you make sure there are no spelling mistakes or errors. The other thing that I didn't mention that you need to know is up here where it says from and then it says your full name. Instead of having your full name, those words literally, it should say your first and last name like it says mine. Where it says date, instead of saying insert current date, you should actually place the current date that's happening. So I did this on the 11th of January, so that's why I have 1/11/2018. Those are about all the changes. Thank you.